At Bryant University, entrepreneurship is more than creation of ventures and businesses. It's the way of thinking, it's the way we approach problems, it's the mindset.
When I first came to Bryant, I didn't think it was possible to have time for running a business and focusing on school. But I found my motivation here.
I never realized how much Bryant was going to support me in guiding me in my entrepreneurial dream.
Welcome to the Sprague Center for Entrepreneurship and Design Thinking. This is a space to create, innovate, and explore for the entire community.
It's an incredible resource for Bryant students, empowering them to transform intention into ideas and ideas into businesses and solutions.
The Sprague Center has become my favorite place on campus. I have my own dedicated office where I can meet with clients and get work done. This is where I run my company.
So this space is where my designs come to life. It's incredible to have my own space here and also be amongst other designers and entrepreneurs also working to grow their business.
This Makerspace is about sparking creativity, collaboration, and hands-on problem solving. We have innovative equipment and technology to test ideas and build something new together.
It's not just about the tools and the space, it's about the people. It's about successful entrepreneurs sharing their wisdom, guiding students through the challenges of launching a startup. They empower students to take risks, to persevere, and to achieve what they once thought was impossible.
By the time I graduate, I want to build the sole provider into a multi-million-dollar company. And now I feel like I can do it because of Bryant and the Sprague Center.